So I already told you about the reward listener interface, that it is catches all the activity. So you need to inherit it from Kivmob. So let's code it. So for coding it, before you need to give a class object of this handler object to this reward listener interface. Okay, in the field. So we need to start the reward listener interface. So for starting it, we make like self dot add dot rewarded load set reward add listener function, and it will take the listener, and what our listener is self dot rewards. Okay, so rewards is an object. So we haven't created the rewards object yet, but now we are creating it. Okay, so how we can create that object? In the init method of this simple app, which is our main app, we create that. Okay, so self dot rewards equals to rewards handler class. We created the, what can say, we created the um, reward object and passed it to the and set as the listener. Okay, so now it is the listener. It will listen all the activity. So let's we code it for the catching the all. Will code all the functionalities, callback functionalities. Okay, so there is a very in the documentation discussed all the on kivmob.com. Let's go to kivmob.com, go to the rewarded video section, and here you can go to the next page, I guess. Next page, 1 second. Next page, yeah. So here you can see the functions of reward listener interface. On rewarded called when the video completes or giving the reward. Okay, on rewarded video at closed called when the user manually closes. So you just need to override them. Okay, and override as you like. So let me do that. So firstly I need to create on rewarded, because I want to reward my user for watching this full ad. So here is the on rewarded. It will take reward name and reward amount as the argument. Okay, so reward name and reward add units, you set it manually when you create the reward add unit. Okay, so I am incrementing the reward points. Okay, so for incrementing, you know that my points variable, it is in the main main class, sorry, the main class simple app, and I'm controlling that variable from the different class. So for this we need to create the object for the this class in this class. Okay, so here your OOP concepts are tested. You must be very strong at OOP and concepts. You must be strong at OOP concepts. So I'm not gonna explain this too, because I'm assuming you do. OP is needed, man. Just learn it. So I'm putting an object, self-object, and giving it passing. Yes, I know. I have now same object as the. So now I can increment this easily. dot app object dot points plus equals to int reward amount. Okay, so I set the reward amount to 10, 100, and in sample test add units it is default to 10 points. Okay, I am writing it here. Sample add unit default amount is 10. Okay, so yes, and for getting a user know, I'm just making the like user receive, making a toast. User received 10 points. Okay, so I have created this. Now, if you remember, I told you to reload the ads. So I'm reloading those ads as soon as the video uh, played on ad started. When the ad started, I just call self dot app obj dot oh I don't make it up. So let's create a function in this class, main app class, def load video, and what will this do? It's just self dot apps dot load the reward video ad test IDs dot rewarded video. Just call it load video. The name is correct. Yeah. So we have. So now the ads are reloaded again as soon as the users played the ad. Okay. Reloading ad. Loading. Now what can we do? Def on. Right. We have on ad completed. If the user completed the ad, user watched the full ad, just reward them. On rewarded function called, and you can put your reward name. I just putting it points. You should have to put the reward name which you set on the AdMob dashboard. AdMob when you creating this reward ad unit. Okay. So then these both are strings. Okay. So don't forget. So, okay. That's why I've converted it to int there. So now I think good enough. Yes. On and one more function, add left application if the user or add closed if the user closed the video. Just do not increment the points because the user cheated us. Plus equals 0. Okay, I think that's enough, and all the other basic function you can do override them as you like. Let's run it and check for errors. Wow, it's just compiled at the first run. So now when you click on it, it will call the function show rewarded ad, and we are not on the Android, so the ads are not gonna, you can say, not open, not playing, and also this pointer is not incrementing. If you want to see this incrementing, you should have to package the application in Android APK using Bulldozer. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I forget to mention one thing. Please subscribe to my channel. I I never mentioned in the previous videos. I just forgot that. Okay, I am so selfish. I'm asking you people, I am forcing you to subscribe my channel. This is not good, but it's okay. If you like the video, subscribe. If it's not, it's okay. And yeah, you will receive this source code on the description. I will drop the link. Okay, that's it. I'm signing off, and it's the end of this playlist. Bye.